Assalamu alaikum my dear students. In today's class we are going to see very important concept, that is set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form. Okay. The next topic is roster. Roster. What do you mean by set builder form? For example, if I say a set P is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, up to like this. I have given one set. Okay, you can here this complete is called roster form. Roster form. What do you mean roster form? In roster form, you try to write whatever the elements which are present in set. Now what we are doing, we are trying to figure out, we are trying to make, we are trying to for example, this is a finite set. Okay, so you can easily write with using some easy way to understand in just a minute. Easy way you can write about it. Okay, this is finite set, and a finite means you should count it and you can easily write it. For example, think for a while. You have a set q which have 100 elements like this, 1 2 3 4 up to 100. Can you write whole every element of this set? No, unable to. You can't write this. So we come up with an idea that is called set builder form. Set builder form. What we are doing, we are analyzing this set and try to write and try to understand what is there in it. Okay, so I will give you some steps you should follow to write anything in the set builder form. Let us start. First, define which number system it is. Number system. Maybe this topic will be somewhat difficult to you, but try to understand. Okay, it is very important and easy at the same time. If you practice it, you will easily get it. Okay, first define number system. What do you mean number system? Whether the number system is natural number, whole number, integer, or rational number, irrational number, like this you have to say. Okay, these all are our number system. Second, check for the number system. Check for the number system, or define the number system. What the number system is present in it. Okay, next, second, which formula is going to use. Now here the formula means some geometrical formulas. What do you mean by geometrical formulas? Whether they are following triangle or not, whether they are rectangle or not, whether they are squares or not. Like this I am talking about. Circles, we can talk about circles later in it. Okay, this is geometrical formula. And you have one more formula that is called of progression series. Inshallah we will cover this in our chapter and you will get to know what is this progression. At the same time, you have multiples of 5, multiples of some number, Example, just now we have said this is the multiple of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is the multiple of any number. And at the same time, you talked about which word is it. Okay, for example, if I say paragon. Okay, so you can write like this. So from this paragon you can write only P, A, R, G, O, and N. These are how you can write it. Next you have third you have to define starting limit. What do you mean by starting limit? Starting limit means from which your set starts. In this case, your set starts from 1, and in this case it starts with 5. So you have to write the starting limit of it. And finally, you have fourth, but starting limit you can say, or you can say starting limit. Okay, or starting point also. Second, you have end limit, where it's end, okay. Here it's end by 25, here it's end by 100. Like this you have to carry on, okay. For limits you have to follow some special concept that is called inequalities. Try to understand. Inequalities are very important. Inequalities. What are our inequalities? First inequality is this is called less than, okay, less than type. How can I say this? For example, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, this complete series is less than 6, okay. Hope you are understanding. Less than 6, this complete series is less than 6. This is the meaning. Try to understand the meaning. This is our first inequality, less than. Second inequality is greater than. Example, I am giving an example: 11, 12, 13 up to so on. So how can I write? This complete series is greater than 10. Yes, you this series complete is greater than 10. Next our series third our series less than or equal to. When you put this sign, this is called equal to. Therefore this is called less than or equal to. How to write it? For example, I am considering the same, okay. Instead of writing like this, how can I write? I will write like this: less than or equal to. The same series I can write in this way: less than or equal to 5. Both are correct, but here we are taking the last point here. That's why we are saying less than or equal to 5. Similarly you have one more, that is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to, okay. So we will consider how we are writing greater than or equal to. For example, you are saying this is our 11. So 11 is our equal first, so it is greater than or equal to 11. Both are correct but have different significances. Here it is greater than 10, here greater than or equal to 11. Here you are defining starting point, and here you are defining ending point also at the same time. Hope you got it. To write any set into the set builder form, you have to remember 4 points. First, check whether the number system is natural number, whole number, integer, whatever it is. Second, you have to define formula, which kind of formula is going to use. Third, you have to define starting limit, and fourth is end limit. And again, if you want to define any starting limit or end limit, you have to take care about inequalities. We have 4: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Let us start with an example. Here. Let us start with an example. For example, I am writing here b is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. Now first you have to write in the number system. Okay. First, which number system it is? This natural number, whole number, or integer, or what? So you can clearly say that it's a natural number also, because natural number starts from 1, but it is in the form and at the same time. And next you have to check for the formula. This is first natural number. You said that okay, it's natural number. Second step is our check whether it's a which formula you are using. Here the formula is they are the multiple of 3. This is our formula. Now you have to define starting point, and at the same time you have to define ending point. So what I am doing, first write x such that x belongs to natural. Is that clear? Then x is a multiple of 3, comma. So this is number system, this is your formula. Now you have to define starting point and ending point. How can you define starting point and ending point? By taking less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal, whichever is convenient, that is useful for you, which is easy for you, you can follow that. Here what I am doing, I am using just x less than or equal to 15. Hope you understand. Now you get a question in your mind, sir. This is 15 is the end point. Where is the starting point? Now you have to understand natural number itself talk about the starting point. How? Natural number starts from 1. Natural number starts from 1. Therefore 1, if you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you say yeah, like this 5, 6, 7, 8. Now try to understand in the roster form. If I write natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like this. If you are writing continuously, now try to check it. First we will take care about it. Let us start. Definitely 1 is not a multiple. Now check, cross check. Definitely 1 is not a multiple of 3, so we can take 1. Similarly 2 is not a multiple of 3, so we can't take 3 is our correct answer. Then 4 is not the multiple of 3, 5 is not a multiple of 3, 6 is our correct answer. 7 is not there, 8 is not there, 9 is there, 10, 11, similarly 12 is there, 13, 14 is not there, 15 is. Like this we can proceed on, but this value, this will stop. This will say okay, you have to take the value up to 15 only, you can't take greater than 15. That's why it stop here. This is how we are going to write schedule form. Hope you understand it. Please try to do lots of problem on it, so it may be very clear to you. Okay, thank you.